Welcome to FatCity Finance. If you're looking for artificial intelligence stocks to own in 2024, we've got you covered. As we know, the world of investing is ever evolving and constantly presenting us with new opportunities. One such opportunity that's been making quite the splash is the field of artificial intelligence, and today we'll be discussing two AI stocks that are predicted to shine brightly in the coming year: Advanced Micro Devices, or as you may know it, AMD, and SoundHound AI. These companies have shown promising growth and potential, making them worthy of consideration for your portfolio. Before we dive in, please take a moment to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for all the latest updates. It really helps our channel grow. First on our list is Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, a stock that has doubled in value in 2023. This tech giant is not a newcomer in the industry, but its recent success has been nothing short of remarkable. The reasons? A resurgence in the PC market and AMD's cutting-edge AI chips. In the past year, the stock market has been a roller coaster ride, but amidst the ups and downs, AMD has emerged as a steady climber. The S&P 500 index, a benchmark of the broader market, gained 28% since October 2022. AMD, however, managed to outperform the market, doubling its value in the same period. One key driver behind AMD's success is the resurgence in the PC market. With the world becoming more digitized, the demand for personal computers is skyrocketing. This demand is expected to increase even further in 2024, with PC shipments predicted to surge by 8%. AMD, being a major player in the PC industry, stands to benefit greatly from this trend. But that's not all. AMD's AI chips are another major contributor to its success. The company's revenue from the client segment, which includes these AI chips, was up 42% year over year in the third quarter of 2023. That's a staggering growth rate, and it's expected to continue into the next year. Looking at the data, it's clear that AMD is not just surviving in the tech industry, it's thriving. The company expects to sell AI chips worth more than $2 billion in 2024. That's a huge number, and it shows just how much potential there is in this stock. But it's not just about the numbers, it's also about the company's vision and strategy. AMD has always been a forward-thinking company, always looking for the next big thing in technology. With its focus on AI chips, AMD is positioning itself at the forefront of the AI revolution. So what does all this mean for you as an investor? It means that AMD is a stock to watch in 2024. With its strong performance in 2023, its promising outlook for the coming year, and its strategic focus on AI, AMD is well positioned for continued growth. With PC shipments predicted to increase by 8% in 2024, and AMD expecting to sell AI chips worth more than $2 billion, this stock is definitely one to watch. Next, we have SoundHound AI, a stock that analysts anticipate will perform well in 2024. Now, this isn't just any company, this is a company on the rise with a revenue pipeline that's robust and ready to deliver. SoundHound AI is a company that's been making waves in the tech industry. They've been steadily growing, and their 2023 performance is a testament to that. They're expecting to finish this year with a 50% spike in revenue. That's right, a 50% increase. It's an impressive figure, one that speaks volumes about the company's potential. What's even more exciting is how SoundHound stock is currently trading. It's at a lower sales multiple compared to its 2022 ratio. What does this mean for you? It means that right now SoundHound AI is an attractive investment. It's a chance to get in on the ground floor of a company that's set to soar. Now let's take a closer look at some data and charts. These figures paint a picture of a company that's on the upswing. They show a company whose trajectory is pointed upwards, and whose potential for growth is immense. And remember, these aren't just numbers. They're a roadmap to what could be a very prosperous 2024. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about the story they tell. And the story of SoundHound AI is one of growth and potential. It's a story about a company that's poised to take the tech world by storm. A company that's set to redefine what's possible in the realm of artificial intelligence. And the best part? You can be a part of this story. By investing in SoundHound AI, you're not just buying a piece of a company, you're buying a piece of the future. A future where artificial intelligence is at the forefront, driving innovation and changing the world as we know it. With a projected 140% jump in its stock price and a solid revenue pipeline, SoundHound is a promising investment for 2024. This is a company that's going places, And if you're looking to invest in the future of artificial intelligence, SoundHound AI might just be the ticket you're looking for. There you have it, 2 AI stocks that are set to make waves in 2024. We've examined Advanced Micro Devices and SoundHound AI, both of which show promising potential for growth. AMD has doubled in value this year and is anticipated to keep rallying in 2024, thanks to the resurgence in the PC market and the company's innovative AI chips. SoundHound AI, on the other hand, is projected to see a whopping 140% jump in its stock price, backed by a solid revenue pipeline and a significant spike in revenue. But remember, the stock market, like the ocean, is always in motion. It's crucial to stay informed and make investment decisions based on comprehensive research and analysis. AI technology is undeniably a game changer, and investing in AI stocks could be a smart move. But as with all investments, it's essential to understand the risks involved. As we move into 2024, keep an eye on these 2 stocks. Both AMD and SoundHound AI are poised for growth and could provide a healthy boost to your investment portfolio. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos. And as always, happy investing.